Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Luxury 1272. Today, we're about to take an in-depth look at the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome, an absolute marvel in the world of mobile living. In this video, we'll focus entirely on the exterior of this incredible machine, showcasing its design, performance, features, and a glimpse into the history that led to its creation. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 camper van, it's clear that this isn't just any motorhome. This is a carefully crafted piece of engineering designed for those who demand the best in both aesthetics and performance. The first thing you'll notice is its streamlined, aerodynamic silhouette, purpose-built to reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency, making long road trips not only more comfortable but also more economical. The design philosophy behind the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome is modern luxury meets practicality. The exterior is sculpted with smooth, flowing lines that not only look visually stunning but serve a functional purpose. These lines are designed to optimize airflow, ensuring a quieter ride and better handling on the road, reducing wind resistance, and helping to improve fuel economy, which is crucial for those long-haul adventures. Let's talk about the roof, another feature that speaks to the vehicle's cutting-edge design. The 2025 model boasts a low-profile roof that ensures a sleek, integrated look while maintaining essential headroom inside. It's made from lightweight, durable materials that contribute to the vehicle's overall performance while also featuring a high-tech solar panel system, providing power for your appliances and gadgets, and reducing the need for external charging stations on your journeys. At the rear, the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome continues to impress with its innovative design. The rear bumper has been engineered with functionality in mind, incorporating a smart storage area for essential gear, like bikes or camping equipment. The tail lights have been redesigned, offering a bold, modern look that enhances visibility and ensures safety during nighttime driving. This is a vehicle that doesn't just look good, it also serves its purpose with precision. Another standout feature of the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome is its wheels. The custom-designed alloy wheels are a blend of style and strength, offering both visual appeal and performance on the road. These wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires that are perfect for both urban and off-road environments, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where your journey takes you. Looking closely at the side of the van, you'll notice the large, panoramic windows that provide a bright and airy atmosphere inside. These windows are made from high-strength, UV-resistant glass that helps keep the interior temperature regulated while offering excellent insulation. Above, the integrated awning extends effortlessly, providing shade during hot summer days or shelter during rainy nights, further enhancing the convenience and livability of this incredible vehicle. Performance is where the 2025 camper van truly shines. The exterior design isn't just for show. Every curve, every angle has been designed with aerodynamics in mind, contributing to the van's exceptional handling and performance on the road. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rugged terrain, this vehicle is built to provide an effortless driving experience, combining stability with responsiveness. The high-performance suspension system ensures a smooth, controlled ride, even in challenging conditions. The bodywork of the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome is not just about looks, it's about durability too. Constructed from a composite material that's both lightweight and incredibly strong, this vehicle can withstand the elements, whether you're battling the sun's heat in the desert or the chill of a snowy mountain pass. The exterior is coated with a high-quality finish that resists scratches and maintains its glossy appearance even after years of use. The 2025 camper van also features an advanced, keyless entry system with sleek, touch-sensitive door handles that are seamlessly integrated into the design. These handles are crafted from durable materials that are resistant to wear and tear, and the locking system ensures that your belongings are secure when you're on the go. In terms of the exterior finish, the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome offers a range of stunning color options, each chosen to highlight its modern, sophisticated design. The paint job is not just about aesthetics, it's also designed for longevity, featuring a layer of protective coating that keeps the vehicle looking new for years. The attention to detail in the exterior design is evident in every corner, from the smooth finish to the precise lines. The 2025 Camper Van Motorhome is a true work of art, combining style, performance, and durability in ways that set a new standard for what's possible in the world of luxury camping. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and focus on comfort, it's clear that this camper van is ready to take you anywhere you want to go, in style and comfort. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2025 Camper Van Motorhome's exterior. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury vehicle reviews here on Luxury 1272. See you on the road.